What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I will show you guys how to make an origami heart with a surprise message in it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. You will need a 20 by 20 centimeter piece of paper, but any square paper will work. Alright, begin by folding the right edge to the left edge. Open that fold up and fold the two edges to meet the center crease. Now fold the top point of the paper to meet the bottom point. Open the crease you just made. Now fold the right edge to meet the center crease and unfold. Now fold the left edge to meet the center crease and then unfold. Fold the right edge to meet the center crease. Open it up and fold the upper left edge to meet the center crease. And then open up that crease. Open up the two rectangles and fold triangles along the creases. Now fold the rectangles back to the center crease. Using the reference creases we made, collapse the paper inward, standing up the paper. Pick up the paper and reinforce these newly formed creases. Now what you want to do is fold a triangle and tuck it behind the paper. This doesn't have to be exact. Fold another triangle on the other side to try to match the other triangle. Repeat the last two steps on the other side. Now on the left corner of the heart, collapse the fold inward. Repeat this step with the right corner. There you have it. You have a finished origami heart. Now all you have to do is add a surprise message of your choice. Enjoy!